Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hola Opulence as usual. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Today we've got another wonderful unboxing on feet as usual. But I am really especially excited about this particular pair, as you can see right there, the Boost. And this caught me by surprise. A little story, I'm just gonna go through it real quick without taking your time. I was just messing about on the Confirm app because I was totally tired of taking L's on every single thing. So on the Adidas Confirm app, I actually wanted to get this. I was like, you know what? I wasn't even thinking about it. I just entered and that was it. Okay. So I'm not thinking. So the next thing I saw was confirmed. Oh my God. I was super excited because I have taken L after L after L on the Adidas Confirmed app, and finally they came true for me. So I am very excited about that. So that's the story out of the way. Now, as you can see, you see the Boost right there. It says 700 in front on top of the box right there, and right here it says Yeezy Boost 700, and you can see made by Adidas. And on the other side, that is the sizing details, which I wear in a 10.5. Okay, because usually Yeezys, they run small. My normal size is a size 10, so I wear Yeezys in a 10.5. Okay, this is the Yeezy 700 V2 Vantas. Man, this Vanta, oh my God, so nice. You know, like sometimes you see certain things in the picture, it looks different. This is one of those ones that in the picture they look like no, it's a black shoe, but getting it in hand, oh my God, absolutely totally different thing. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video and comment in the section below. I really appreciate you doing that. So let's get straight into these bad boys right here. So when you open the box, you can see the shoe comes wrapped up like that. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh, look at that. Bam! Check that out. That is the Yeezy 700 V2 Vanta. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. Look at that. Ooh. One thing that I really like is in hand. It's absolutely amazing. It's almost like a black brown color. Like in the picture, it looks like very like it's a utility black, but it's not. It's kind of like a black, but like a kind of like a brown black. It's just awesome. I love the color. So let me take the other feet out. That's what I'm looking at. I'm gonna take the other feet out so I can show you guys both feet. All right, put it to the side, and we'll talk about the materials and everything. Okay, there's nothing else, no extra shoelaces in there. All right, I'm gonna put the box to the side. We're gonna start with the outsole, and as you can see right there, the outsole is that Vanta color, which is kind of like a black, kind of like brownish black, which is kind of like amazing because I've actually never seen like this kind of color. It's really amazing. So you can see the Boost right there, white. You can see in those holes right there, you can see through it. You see the Boost. So right there, that is so cool. And at the back right there, you see the Adidas logo right there. All right. And the midsole is more of that Vanta color. It's a black, but it's kind of like a kind of blackish brown black. I don't know what to call it, but the color is Vanta. So, okay, Vanta. So that's more of that Vanta colorway on the midsole, saying everything. It's just really nice. And another thing that I did notice as well, so they have that glowing um, reflector in there, right here. I mean, you can't see, but I'm sure if the light hit it, you know, you'll be able to see. In some of the pictures that I took earlier, it's kind of glowing. So the reflectors they put on this is not as much, I noticed, than it's not as much as the ones they put on the static, because I know the white one, there's the reflectors on it, it's actually more than the ones they put on this one. So this one has the reflecting material, but it's not as much. There's one right there, but this 3 stripe right here is not reflective, but on the static it's reflective, but this is not, as you can see. But the reflecting part on this particular Vanta is this one right here and right here. Okay, and in front we have this one that reflects, and this one, this little bit right there. Okay, so going into the upper, the toe box, it's a mix of suede, and the suede on this, ooh, the quality is absolutely amazing. You know, that's the one thing I really like about Yeezys. The quality is very, very nice, I must say. Okay, so the suede on the toe box is very, very nice, very buttery, and they have this mesh material, which I could say that is more of a black compared to the suede, if you can see it right there. Okay, so the suede is black, but it's kind of like a brown black. Okay, and the mesh is black, and the tongue as well, that is in black, which the material is kind of like a mesh, good quality tongue, and the shoelaces are black as well. So you can definitely tell you can tell the difference from the black on the shoelaces to the black on the suede. So for me, I wouldn't even call this suede black. I'll call it like a dark brown. That's just my opinion. You know, for me, this is not black. This is brown and black. But like they said, they called it Vanta. So for me, seeing it in hand is definitely better looking than in pictures. I'm gonna be 100% with you right now. Like, just looking at it, like, I mean, when I did enter the drawer, I was thinking, it's another black Yeezy. Well, you get what I'm saying. But just holding it and seeing it in hand is completely different from what I saw in the pictures. So I am very, very happy that I was able to get this in my collection, because this is another unique pair. You see what I'm saying? So on the inside, let me see what's in the inside. So you got some tissue paper right there, and you have the Ultralight insole. Let me see if I can take it out so I can show it to you guys. There we go. I got it. Okay, so you can see the Ultralight right there in white, and you see the Adidas logo right there. And on the other side, that looks like that. Okay. All right. I am very, very excited, because you know me, when it comes to sneakers, I'm excited because I love sneakers, you know. So yeah, so I'm so happy to add this to my collection as well, and I will be doing the on feet for you guys so you can see what it looks like on feet. I'm gonna put it together. You know, I'm sure I'm gonna be able to put some nice fits together with this. And of course, you got the recycled tag, the brown one, and the normal sizing tag over there. And on the inside right there, you have the sizing details. Okay, right there. The back as well You have more of that Vanta colorway on the back, which is like a brown black mixed with the mesh material. And you got a little leather like on the back right there. This right, that's leather. Okay, that is really nice. Okay, so yeah, I'm really excited about this. So the Yeezy 700 V2 Vantas. There you have it, guys. That's it right there. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and comment in the section below. Tell me what you guys think about this particular pair, because for me, it really caught me by surprise. It's actually much better than I thought it would be. So I am very curious to see what you guys think about this particular pair. Guys, make sure you comment in the section below, and I always reply my comments. And if you have any ideas for me, if there's a particular video you want me to do, just let me know. I will make sure I get it out for you guys. Guys, have a wonderful day. Till the next time, all the opulence out.